Welcome students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel Kudaleshwar Smart Academy. And today I am going to discuss one important grammar topic. It is related to compounds, samasaha. And this is one subtype. Name of the compound is Tatpurushaha. So this is the name of the main samas or compound, and this is a subtype of Tatpurush compound, Vibhakti Tatpurushaha. Vibhakti means cases, Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. So these are Vibhaktis. Generally in compound, when we dissolve it, at least two parts we are getting. So in Vibhakti Tatpurush, one part is in particular Vibhakti. Maybe that part you will get in Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti or Saptami. So in which Vibhakti that particular part is there. For example, one part is in Prathama or one part is in Dvitiya, or like this up to Saptami if examples you are getting, or Vigraha Vakyani you are getting. Then by that particular Vibhakti, that compound is, that particular, by using name of that particular Vibhakti, we call that particular example as Prathama Tatpurush or Dvitiya Tatpurush, Tritiya Tatpurush, Chaturthi Tatpurush, Panchami Tatpurush, Shashti Tatpurush or Saptami Tatpurush. In case of Prathama Tatpurush, it is a special type because generally two parts we are getting when we dissolve any compound. Then both the parts are in Prathama. This is the speciality of Prathama Tatpurush. So it has a specific name. One more specific name is given to that subtype. It is called Karmadharayaha. For example, Ayodhya Nagari. Ayodhya Nama Nagari. This is the Vigraha Vakya. Ayodhya, see, it declines like Mala, Mala Male Malaha. Ayodhya, Ayodhya, Ayodhyaha. So Ayodhya Nama Nagari. So Ayodhya is in Prathama. Nagari declines like Nadi. Nadi Nadyo Nadyaha. Nagari Nagaryo Nagaryaha. So in Vigraha Vakya, Ayodhya is in Prathama, Nagari is in Prathama. So both the parts are in Prathama, Prathama Vibhakti only. So only it is called Prathama Tatpurush, and special name is given to this subtype. It is also called as Karma Dharayaha. So quickly we will see these examples, then tables are there. Columns are the column wise I'll discuss with you. See, Khagaha Vanam Gataha. See, dissolution is the Vigraha Vakya is given here. Two parts we are getting, Vanam and Gataha. So Vanam, quickly you have to understand which Vibhakti is there. Vanam, Vanam Vane Vanani, Vanam Vane Vanani. Dvitiya it is. So this is example of Dvitiya Tatpurush. Trunaihi Rachitani Tesham Nidani. Trunaihi. Vanaihi. Vanena Vanabhyam Vanaihi. So it is Tritiya Tatpurush. Then Vruksheshu Khaganam Nivasaya Nidani Santi. Nivasaya Nidani Vigraha Vakya. So Nivasaya Devaya. So it is Chaturthi form, Chaturthi Tatpurush. Then Parjanyat Rakshitaha Khagaha Anandanti. Parjanyat Devat. So Panchami form, it is Panchami Vibhakti Tatpurushaha, Panchami Tatpurushaha it is called. Then Khaganam Jivanam Parishramaihi Paripurnam, Khaganam Devanam. So Shashti Vibhakti it is Shashti Tatpurushaha. Swakarye Nirataha Khagaha Dheyashilaha. Swakarye Vane Vaneyoho Vaneshu. Saptami form it is. So it is called Saptami Tatpurushaha. Here dissolution is given, Vigraha Vakya is given. And here Vanam Gataha, so समस्तपद is or compound word is वनगताः द्वितीया तत्पुरुषः तृणैः रचितानि तृणरचितानि तृतीया विभक्ति then निवासाय नीडानि निवासनीडानि this is compound words or samastapad we can say chaturthi vibhakti then parjanyat rakshitaah parjanya rakshitaah panchami tatpurush panchami vibhakti then khaganam jeevanam khaga jeevanam षष्ठी विभक्ति षष्ठी तत्पुरुष then swakarye nirataah swakarya nirataah this is compound samas it is or samastapad it is. So saptami form saptami tatpurushah. So here some examples are given. 4 columns are there. See atra prathama padam dvitiya padena कयाचित् विभक्त्या संयुज्यते अतः एषः समासः विभक्ति तत्पुरुषः इति उच्यते. Why this subtype is called vibhakti tatpurush? That explanation is given. Generally 2 parts we get when we dissolve any compound. So one form or one word, one part of that particular vigraha vakya we will get in particular vibhakti prathama to saptami. Any vibhakti form we will get there. So in which vibhakti form we are getting that particular part, then we have to suppose that part is in dvitiya vibhakti or panchami vibhakti, panchami form or dvitiya form it is, then we have to call that particular samastapad as, or which name we have to give that samastapad dvitiya tatpurushah. For example vanam gataah vanam, so vanagataah dvitiya tatpurushah, or parjanya rakshitaah parjanyat rakshitaah, parjanyat panchami na, so panchami tatpurushah, this name we have to give that compound. So these are examples. See samasa prakaraah. First prathama tatpurushah, it is called karmadharayah, special subtype it is because of both the parts we are getting in prathama vibhakti. For example ayodhya nagari, ayodhya naam nagari, neela kamalam, neelam kamalam. Okay, bhojarajah, bhojah naam raja, bhojah prathama, raja, rajan ending in an, raja, rajanau, rajanaha. So prathama ekvachanam it is, both the parts in prathama, so it is called karmadharayah, so special subtype, so it is not given in this table. See samasa prakarah dvitiya tatpurushah, it is samastapadam. See vrukshashritah, one example is given, plus picture is given for better understanding. Vruksham ashritah, so who takes shelter of the tree, it is called vrukshashritah. So example is given markatah, monkeys are taking shelter of trees. Uttarapadanam avalihi, generally as uttarapad which words we get, that list is given. Shrita, ashrita, gata, apanna, atita, prapta, these words are coming as uttarapad. Uttarapad means this pad ashrita, vruksham ashrita, samastapad vrukshashrita, compound, and its vigraha vakya is vruksham ashrita. So 2 parts we are getting here. So this is purva padam and this is uttarapadam. So uttarapad, as uttarapad we are getting these words. So udaharanani are given here. Shala gamanam, so samasa vigraha vakya is shalam gamanam, shalam dvitiya form. Krama praptaha, kramam praptaha, kramam dvitiya. Bhugataha, bhuvam gataha, bhuvam dvitiya form. Bhumi gataha, bhumim gataha, dvitiya, bhumim. Krishnashritaha, krishnam ashritah, krishnam dvitiya form. गुणातीतः, गुणान् अतीतः, गुणान् द्वितीया फॉर्म. सुखापन्नः, सुखम आपन्नः, सुखम द्वितीया it is. So it is called dvitiya tatpurushah. And then see second tritiya tatpurushah, it is tritiya tatpurush. Example kesha vihinah, kesha means hair, vihina without. Keshaihi vihinaha, see vigraha vakya. This is purvapadam and this is uttarapadam. Keshaihi vihinaha. So generally as Uttar Pad we are getting these words Sampanna, Rahita, Hina, Vikala, Varjita, Yukta, Sadrusha, Adhya. And these are examples. Dhana Sampannaha, see Dhanena Sampannaha, Vigraha Vakya, Dhanena, Tritiya form it is, so Tritiya Tatpurush. Buddhihinaha, Buddhyahinaha, Buddhya, Tritiya form. Charana Vikalaha, Charanena Vikalaha, Charanena, Tritiya. शर्करा मिश्रितः, शर्करया मिश्रितः, शर्करया तृतीया मालया. चिंता समा, चिंतया समा, चिंतया मालया तृतीया फॉर्म. बदर सदृशः, बदरेण सदृशः, बदरेण देवेन. ओके, सो तृतीया. वर्ण मिश्रितः, वर्णैः मिश्रितः, देवैः. सो तृतीया. धनाढ्यः, धनेन आढ्यः, धनेन तृतीया. So it is called Tritiya Tatpurush Samas. Now see next Chaturthi. See Chaturthi Tatpurushaha. Dana Petika example is given. See here picture is given for the better understanding. This person doesn't have hair on his head. So means a completely bald we can say person we see. So better understanding is there with the help of picture. Here also see Dana Petika box is given. Donation box. Danaya Petika Vigraha Vakya see. Danaya Purvapadam, Petika Uttarapadam. So as Uttarapadam we get Artham, this word. Deshartham see. Deshaya iti. Deshartham means Deshaya iti, Deshaya, Devaya, Chaturthi. Then Kanyartham, Kanyayai iti. Okay, Artham means iti, understood, no, for. Desharth, Desha iti means what? For the country. Kanyartham, for the daughter, like this meaning. Kanyayai, Malayai, Chaturthi form. Viharartham, Viharaya iti, Viharaya, Chaturthi. Rakshanartham, Rakshanaya iti, Chaturthi. Shalpalayah, Shalpebhyaha alayah, Devebhyaha or Vanebhyaha, Shalpebhyaha, itte Shalpavi said, Vanebhyaha, Chaturthi. Tapovanam, Tapase, Vanam, Chaturthi, Tapase. So, Granthalayah, Granthebhyaha, आलयः, ग्रन्थेभ्यः, चतुर्थी. कार्यशक्तिः, कार्याय शक्तिः, कार्याय वनाय, चतुर्थी. कुण्डलहिरण्यं, कुण्डलाभ्यां हिरण्यं, कुण्डलाभ्यां, चतुर्थी. घटमृत्तिका, घटाय मृत्तिका, चतुर्थी. घटाय, देवाय, चतुर्थी it is. So it is called Chaturthi Tatpurushaha. So remaining topic I'll discuss in next AV. Okay, bye.